Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you step-by-step guide to reset Windows Spotlight on Windows 11 when it's stuck, not changing images or showing blank wallpapers. So before we begin with the steps, do this. Simply go to your Windows settings, then go to Privacy and Security. From here click on General and make sure these three options are turned on. So once you do this, proceed ahead with the following steps. Right click on your desktop, click on Personalize, then go to Background. From here change the Windows Spotlight to Picture and restart your PC once. After restart, go to Background again and change it to Windows Spotlight and see if this fixes the issue or not. In the next method, right click over Start menu Windows icon and click on Run. Paste it in the Run dialog box and click on OK. Now delete all the contents you see in this location. Now open the Run dialog box again. Paste it in the Run dialog box and click on OK. You will get these two files, simply select and delete them. Now go to Personalize, go to Background and change it to Windows Spotlight. Close the settings panel and restart your PC. In the next method, right click over Start menu Windows icon and select Terminal Admin. Now go to the video description and copy this command line from there. Right click on PowerShell window to paste it and hit enter to execute it. Once executed, simply close the PowerShell window and restart your computer. After restart, go to Background from Personalize again and set the option to Windows Spotlight, and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.